Hi, I'm Philip Hundl. I'd like to talk to you about a new project that's come to my attention. It's in Lavaca County, Texas. I am an attorney in Texas. My practice area focuses on representing landowners facing eminent domain condemnation proceedings. And so let's jump right into it. Many of you may remember the big Kinder Morgan Permian Highway Pipeline project that was completed several years ago. It started way out in West Texas, like most of these projects do, and it took a diagonal path to the coast, to Fort Bend County, Wharton County area. Now that project passed basically through the middle of the hill country in between Austin and San Antonio, through Caldwell County, but Blanco County, Gillespie County, Hayes County. And so unlike many other pipelines before, or unlike other pipelines that took a more northerly route over Austin through Williamson County and then diagonally down. So that project created a lot of controversy, rightly so. So what I want to talk to today about is there's a PHP, or Kinder Morgan Permian Highway Pipeline expansion project. Now, it's nothing like the original PHP project. This is 15 miles of additional looping, is what they refer to it as. 5 of the miles will happen in Reeves and Pecos County, and then 10 miles will happen in Lavaca County. So I primarily want to focus on Lavaca County. I'm closer to Lavaca County. I have quite a few clients in Lavaca County that are affected by this, that were affected by the PHP original pipeline project. And this expansion will be a second pipe parallel to that existing 10-mile stretch in Lavaca County. Now, there's a longer stretch of PHP line in Lavaca County, but this stretch is only 10 miles long in Lavaca County. Now, what are the time frames? It's always important to know, well, when do they anticipate construction? When will it be done? When will it be in service? And so I think a lot of times these goals or targets by pipeline companies are aggressive or optimistic, however you'd like to think about it, but they're saying the fourth quarter of 2022 is when they would anticipate starting some construction. Now, does that mean out in Reeves County, Pecos County, or in Lavaca County? I don't know that yet. We don't know that yet. Now, the proposed in-service date will be the fourth quarter of 2023. So essentially, they're saying it's going to take about a year to do this construction. And I think that's probably a reasonable estimate. A lot of varying, variables in construction on a pipeline. So what's the reason? They're saying this project will increase the PHP, or Permian Highway Pipeline's capacity, by approximately 550 million cubic feet per day. I'm going to attach this fact sheet of this expansion project that comes from Kinder Morgan on the blog. You'll be able to see it. And then also I'll attach the route of the PHP line, but more importantly, this expansion portions. And the expansion portions on the map, you'll see it. It's a yellow and black alternating colored line. That's the expansion, or the second line that's going to be on this project. And so for Lavaca County, it starts in the little town of Praha. Many of you have probably heard of that. There's a painted church, the Catholic church there. But it runs Praha, and it kind of runs at an angle through near Moravia. And then it's going to pass Highway 77 and then end a little bit further east of Highway 77 in Lavaca County. So hopefully that's helpful. With all these pipeline projects, if you're faced with a pipeline project, you're approached by a right-of-way agent, get as much information as you can from the beginning, and a lot of the information could and will change, but the exact or the proposed location of the route is extremely important. What, if any, above ground appurtenances does the pipeline company anticipate having on your property? And then also, are they also going to need a temporary access road or permanent access road? Those are all things that are extremely important. So try to find out that information, get as many plats or diagrams of the proposed route as possible. If you can get a diagram of the route with an aerial overlay on it, that's also very helpful to know exactly where on your property. Sometimes from just a civil engineering or survey plat, it may be difficult to determine exactly where that is. You can also ask for the pipeline company to stake the line. Sometimes at this stage in the game, that's a little premature, but that's definitely something that will help you be able to visualize where that route could or will be on your property. So hopefully, if that's helpful information, as always, please contact an attorney that handles eminent domain condemnation proceedings for landowners. Talk to someone that can better inform you of your rights and the obligations of the condemnor. So with that, good luck.